Alright, yo, what's going on, guys? So we're back today with another vlog. It's kind of a wet day today. All the ledges are wonderfully wet, but we're gonna give it some training anyway and see what happens. So yeah, let's get to it. I think we're gonna head over to a Kong spot to start and probably be there until we get the challenge, and then if we get the challenge, we're just gonna move on from there. So let's give that a go. It started raining. We're running back to the car. So sad. So sad. Oh, didn't get the Kong free, but hey, that's okay. Next time, right? One bag next time. Okay, so I'm back at the car. It's raining hard. So I probably will pick this up tomorrow and try to train again if it's not raining. If not, then I'll probably be Saturday at Motive because I haven't been to Motive in a long time and need to go back. Yeah, so that's that so far. I mean, as you can tell, it's a little rainy. So yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Okay, it's now Tuesday and I'm on my way to Motive Movement. Yeah, so basically it's been raining all weekend, so I haven't been able to get outside and jump, but now we're all gonna head down to Motive Movement, me and the parkour group up in Charlotte, to go jump around and train a little bit. So I will see you guys when we're at the gym. Okay, holy crap, finally made it. Yeah, Motive. Let's go. That took freaking forever. Okay, back to what I normally do. Double palm spin first.
Dang, wide angle doesn't look weird.
Let's go to the resi. Let's go do some parkour. Snap and fall on your back. Yes.
Yeah, you almost necked, dude. You totally have it. You didn't even snap, you didn't even tuck, and you were still like shoulders. Yeah. Messed me up.
Nice, yeah. There you go. Nice.
Yeah, very nice.
gonna make a line with the roll up the slant thingy, and then yeah, let's work on that. I won't be doing that line. Maybe I'll change it up instead, because swings I'm doing are not gonna work anymore. Ouch. Okay, I'm gonna do flips until this dries out a little bit and is less painful, or less stingy, I should say, to use. So flips on the trampoline and everywhere else. Okay, time to go. Alright, yo, so I finished at the gym. That was actually a fun session. I haven't been back to the gym in a while. I wasn't able to get a line because I ripped, sadly. But, I mean, that's okay. I'm just glad that I finally got to go back. It's been a while. It was fun to go back with everybody and actually train. Sort of was all over the place. Sorry for that, but, I mean, hey, there's so much to do at the gym all the time. I definitely missed it. But if you guys enjoyed, drop a like, leave a comment, let me know what you thought of this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.